Oh, hey there, guys. Welcome to the channel. So I just got home. I was at work. I work for a living. Anyhow, there's nothing better than coming home to a package, and especially if the package has tools. But this is gonna be a quick unboxing and a quick review of a set of screwdrivers that I purchased. I got them at Lowe's. It's the Specops screwdriver set. The reason I wanted to get it is because I want to have something in my truck. As far as screwdrivers, I do have like a 1/4-inch set in the truck, and other miscellaneous tools, but I really don't have a like a screwdriver set per se. And the 1/4-inch set that I have does not have, it's just like some sockets and a simple ratchet. There's no screwdriver set, or how the memes, like some meme tools have like the screwdriver set. Well, I don't really have one in my truck, and there's no way I'm paying $40 for the mean tool from Harbor Freight. I think that's way too expensive, and it's not on sale right now. I missed the last sale they had. And anyways, long story short, I found a set at Lowe's, and I had like $10 accumulated from the rewards program that they have. Plus, I take advantage of the 10% off if you're a military member. So anyways, this is it right here. Let's check it out. Come, get closer. All right, so let's open this guys up, see what we have. Okay, from the door, I love the case. I like that it has a carrying case. That's pretty nice. Yep, so they come in a nice case. Oh, okay. Oh, first thing I see, a magnetizer. Nice. So let's take. Oh wow, so you magnetize it here. Nice, look at that. Yeah, and it sticks good. That's cool. Oh, it feels, I like the feel. It's a similar handle to the Quinn, or yeah, so a pair of Quinn that I have. I like the feel, and they got stubbies. That feels good. And we also have some precision ones. I really like the carrying case. The fact that it has a carrying case, I like this. That's a plus. Let's see what we got here. Some literature. Okay. So, all right. This is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. For the money that I pay for this, with all the discounts, and the 10% military discount, and then the rewards money that I have from the Lowe's. Lowe's has a rewards program. It's really easy. You just sign up. You could even do it at the store or online. All they need is an email from you. And the more you buy, the more points you get, and the more Lowe's money, or Lowe's bucks, however they call it, you get. So I like it. I remember, I think I paid $25 or something like that, or 20 bucks. For $20, it's a good buy. I'm happy. And like I said, the handle reminds me of, let me get a... Alright guys, I got a couple of screwdrivers that I use most. This is really my favorite handle because of the way it feels in my hand. And yeah, this type of hand is similar. It's similar to the Specops. These are Torx, and this is flathead. Let's get a Phillips. There we go. So next to the Quinn, it's similar. The handles are similar in shape. I find the Specops a little bit more. It has a little bit more girth to it. It feels better in my hand than the Quinn, to be honest. Let's see. This Duratec screwdrivers I also like. But the Specop compared to the Duratec, it feels a little heavier. It feels a little better in my hand. And this DeWalt, I've had these for many years, and yeah, this feels awesome in my hand. But the Specops feel pretty good. I like it, and it has a rubbery feel where the black of it's like rubber. This is more plastic. The khaki or brownish material, it feels like plastic, but this black rubberized material feels good on the thumb and the hands. So good to go. I'm happy. This is gonna be a great addition to the tools that I have in my truck, because you never know when there's gonna be a rainy day. And this thing I'm gonna keep in my truck. Maybe I'll make a video of the stuff that I have in my truck and the tools that I have in my truck. So yeah, Specops screwdriver set with the magnetizer. That's a plus. I didn't know that it came with this. So this is bonus. All right, there it is, guys. I hope you liked the video. It's a short one. There's gonna be many more like these. As I keep purchasing tools, then it's my one vice. So yeah, there it is. If you are in the need of a screwdriver set, I recommend this one. Feels good, and it's budget and pocket friendly. All right, you guys, that's it for now. Check in later for future videos. Be safe, be blessed. See you in the next one.